Hi everyone, welcome to ESL Tutor for All. Today we're learning all 16 English tenses for the verbs learn and teach. Don't worry, we'll go step by step. For each tense, I'll teach you when we use it, the sentence structure, and simple examples for each verb. Ready? Let's dive in. First, the present tenses. Present simple. We use the present simple for habits, routines, or facts that are always true. The sentence structure consists of subject plus base verb. Students learn new things. She teaches English online. Present continuous. We use the present continuous for things happening right now. The sentence structure consists of subject plus the verb be plus verb with ing. For example, students are learning about history. She is teaching a new lesson. Present perfect. We use the present perfect when something started in the past and continues in the present. The sentence structure consists of subject plus have or has plus past participle. For example, we have learned new skills. She has taught for 10 years. Present perfect continuous. We use the present perfect continuous to show how long something has been happening. The sentence structure consists of subject plus have or has been plus verb with ing. For example, students have been learning online. She has been teaching art recently. Now, the past tenses. Past simple. The past simple is used for actions that finished in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus past tense verb. For example, students learned about science last year. She taught us patiently. Past continuous. The past continuous is used for actions in progress at a specific time in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus was or were plus verb with ing. For example, they were learning how to ride a bike. She was teaching history. Past perfect. The past perfect is used for actions that happen before another past action. The sentence structure consists of subject plus had plus past participle. For example, students had learned the basics. She had taught us everything. Past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous shows how long something was happening before another past event. The sentence structure consists of subject plus had been plus verb with ing. For example, students had been learning all semester. She had been teaching since morning. Next, the future tenses. Future simple. The future simple is used to talk about something that will happen. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will plus base verb. For example, students will learn a lot next year. She will teach next semester. Future continuous. The future continuous shows something in progress at a specific future time. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will be plus verb with ing. For example, students will be learning new topics. She will be teaching all day. Future perfect. The future perfect is used to show something will be finished before a future time. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will have plus past participle. For example, students will have learned all about algebra. She will have taught the whole course. Future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous shows how long something will have been happening by a future point. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will have been plus verb with ing. For example, students will have been learning for years. She will have been teaching for a decade. Finally, the conditional tenses. Conditional simple. The conditional simple is used to talk about possible future actions. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would plus base verb. For example, students would learn quickly with the proper tools. She would teach if she were asked. Conditional continuous. The conditional continuous is used to show an action that might be happening now or in the future. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would be plus verb with ing. For example, they would be learning new things with the right teacher. She would be teaching next year if she wasn't retired. Conditional perfect. The conditional perfect is used to talk about something that would have happened in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would have plus past participle. For example, students would have learned more with extra time. She would have taught the subject. Conditional perfect continuous. The conditional perfect continuous shows how long something would have been happening in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would have been plus verb with ing. For example, students would have been learning well all year. She would have been teaching for years. Congratulations! You just learned all 16 English tenses with learn and teach. To keep practicing, re-watch this video, pause, and repeat the examples often to remember. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.